guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a ride in the Fonacab Belfast application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then just click on the green sign at the map. And then click on the search destination button. So first you have to set the pickup address. So just search for that. And then the destination address. And as you can see, here's the estimated amount that this ride will cost you. And then if you click on the vehicle, you can select the vehicle options depending on, like, for example, how many person is like traveling with you. So for example, a 6-seater will obviously cost you more. And once you set the payment method, just click on the confirm booking button to order the cab. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.